In this video, we'll show you how to install an easy pour vent on your gas can when replacing or adding a new vent while using any of the patented easy pour spouts. When creating the hole for your vent, it's best to use the easy pour 1/2 inch reamer, but a step bit works well too. Whatever you do, do not use a twist bit as it will create an irregularly shaped hole. If using a step bit, be sure to create a mark 1 step above 1/2 inch so you know when to stop drilling. Remember, we need our hole to be a 1/2 inch in diameter. Nothing more, nothing less. To begin, drill a small pilot hole on the back side of your can. Then take your bit, or your reamer, and expand your hole to a 1/2 inch diameter. Next, using a screwdriver and a mallet, hammer your vent into place. Finally, before filling your gas can, be sure to shake out any debris created while drilling. And there you have it, your easy pour vent installed in less than 5 minutes. For more information, or to order any of our easy pour products, visit easypourspout.com.